Hi students, today's topic is multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. So definition. Multiplication of two matrices is possible if the number of column in the first matrix, is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Number of rows in the second matrix. If A equal to small aij m by n. So the condition is first matrix number of column in the first matrix. So m is denoted by row and n is denoted by column. So number of column in the first matrix is equal to number of row in the second matrix. B is the second matrix. Number of row in the second matrix are equal. Both are equal. Therefore, then the product of matrix AB is defined and is the order. The remaining order is m by p. This is called product of two matrices. Second, the product of BA is, so what is BA? So BA is not defined. An example. So how to multiply of A and B? Let us consider A equal to any 2 by 2 square matrix. So let us consider any 2 by 2 matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 2 by 2 matrices. And B equal to any matrices. So 2, 3. B is 2, 3. Check the order of A. What is the order of A matrix? 2 by 2. And what is the order of B matrix? How many rows? 2 rows. And how many column? 1 column. Now the condition is, what is the condition? Multiplication of two matrices is possible if the number of column in the first matrix, number of column is 2 and is equal to number of row in the second matrix, See, both are equal. So what is the remaining order? This is the answer. Product of AB is 2 by 1. 2 means 2 rows and 1 column. The remaining value, the answer is 2 by 2 rows and 1 column. So I will check. So product of AB. So AB which is equal to multiple. A is 1, 2, 3, 4 into B equal to, what is the B value? Is 2, 3. So how to multiple? Listen carefully. The first row into first column. What is the first row? 1, 2. And first column value is 2, 3. And first row, first column. Next, second row and first column. Second row is 3, 4. And first column is 2, 3. Now simplify. How to simplify? So multiple. This into this. 1 into 2 is 2. The middle value is always positive. And 2 into 2 equal to which value? 4. Sorry. 1 into 2 equal to 2 plus 2 into 3 equal to 6. Next, 3 into 2. 3 into 2 equal to the value 6. And 4 into 3 equal to 12. Now simplify. 2 plus 6 equal to 8. 6 plus 12 equal to 18. Now check the order of the matrices, given matrices. 2 rows and 1 column. Check the orders, remaining orders of AB. Remaining order is 2 into 1. Remaining order of AB equal to 2 into 1. So this is called AB. Therefore AB equal to 8 AB. This is AB value. Okay, next, properties of multiplication matrix. Properties of multiplication of matrices. So the first one is multiplication is not commutative. So commutative means, what is the commutative properties? AB equal to BA is the commutative in addition property. But in matrix multiplication, AB is not equal to BA. The first property, AB is not equal to BA. So AB is defined in product of multiplication of two matrices, but BA is not defined. in the multiplication of matrices. Okay. Next, matrix multiplication is distributive over matrix addition. So two conditions is there. One is, first condition is So A into B plus C equal to A into B plus C, which is equal to A into B AB plus A into C equal to AC. Okay, second property, B plus C into A, which is equal to B into A BA or A into B AB, same value, B into A BA, or else plus C into A equal to C. The first property is called associative. Matrix multiplication is always associative. So associative means A into BC, which is equal to AB into C. So this is called associative property. Matrix multiplication is always associative. So A into BC, which is equal to AB into C. Fourth one, multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrix by a unit matrix. So how to find the value? See, read the conditions very carefully. If A is a square matrix means any 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 square matrix. The order is m by n. 2 by 2 or n by n means 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 square matrix. Let A is the one of the square matrix, any 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, and I is the unit matrix. I is the unit matrix. I is the unit matrix. A unit matrix means I equal to 1 0 0 1 is the unit matrix, and A equal to, let us consider any 2 0 1 3 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. This the order is 2 by 2. 2 by 2. I is the unit matrix. 1 0 0 1 is the unit matrix, and A equal to 2 0 1 3 is a 2 by 2 square matrix. I is the unit matrix of same order. The order is same. 2 by 2, 2 by 2. The order is same. A into I, which is equal to I into A, equal to A. So this property is called multiplication of a matrix by a unit matrix. By a unit matrix. Okay, exercise 3.18. Exercise 3.18. Find the order of the product matrix AB if order of A which is equal to 3 by 3, order of B equal to 3 by 3. Okay, how to find the product of AB? Okay, the condition of product of AB, product of two matrices is number of column which is equal to number of rows. Number of column which is equal to number of column in the second matrix. Number of row in first matrix which is equal to number of column in the second matrix. So number of column in the first matrix which is equal to number of row in the second matrix. Therefore 3 3 it cancels. Both are same. So remaining order is 3 by 3. Remaining order is 3 by 3. So product of AB is 3 by 3. 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 Okay, second condition. The order of A is 4 by 3 and order of B is 3 by 2. The condition of product of two matrices, what is the condition? Number of column in the first matrix is which is equal to number of row in the second matrix. So 3 3 equal. So remaining order is 4 by 2. 4 by 2. Third one, see, number of column which is equal to number of row. 2 to get equal. So remaining order is 4 by 2. 4 by 2. This is the answer. This is the answer. And fifth one, number of column in the first matrix which is equal to number of row in the second matrix. So same order. So remaining order is 4 into 1. Remaining order 4 into 1. The last one, number of column in first matrix which is equal to number of row in the first matrix. So remaining order is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. This is the answer. Okay, first sum is over. Next, second question. If A is of order P by Q. So order of A equal to P by Q, and B, order of B is Q by R. Q by R. So what is the order of AB and BA? What is the order of AB and BA? So AB equal to, the condition is number of column in the first matrix which is equal to number of row in the second matrix. Both are equal. Therefore AB order is remaining values, remaining order P cross R. P cross R. This is called AB. Next, BA equal to, BA means second value. B equal to, this is the order, Q by R. B value is Q by R and A value is, order is P by Q. P by Q. Now check the conditions. What is the condition, pa? Number of column in the first matrix, which is equal to number of row in the second matrix. Both are equal or not? Is not equal. Here R is there, here P is there, so not equal. So BA is not equal. Therefore, the result is AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. Okay. Question number 3. A has capital A is a matrices. A has A rows and A plus 3 columns. A which is equal to, let A or a given capital A equal to A rows and A plus 3 columns. A plus 3 columns. A rows and A plus 3 columns. And B has, this is the order, A plus 3 column. And B has B rows and 17 minus B column, and if both product of AB and BA exist, it is given AB and BA is exist. So find the value of A and B value. Exist means the condition. Product of two matrices, what is the condition? Number of column of first matrices which is equal to number of row in the second matrix. Therefore, the number of column in the first matrix which is equal to number of row in the second matrix. So this is the order, A into A plus 3. This is order M by N, first one. Okay, number of column in the first matrix which is equal to number of row in the second matrix. Therefore, the condition is AB, both the product AB is exist. So AB is exist. It is given AB and BA is exist. AB is exist. Therefore, this results A plus 3 which is equal to B. A plus 3 which is equal to B. Therefore, this plus A goes to right hand side. 3 equal to B plus A goes to that side minus A. So this is equation 1. So this is equation 1. Okay. 3 equal to B minus A. Next, this is called AB. Product of AB. Because AB is exist. Next, second condition, BA is exist. BA, so multiplication of B into A. BA which is equal to B value is BA is the reverse value, the order of remaining. BA is AB and BA is exist. Find the value of A and B. Therefore, BA, the order of BA equal to remaining order. So A equal to 17 minus B. This 17 comes to the sign, negative sign. The positive sign comes to the sign, negative sign, 17. This A goes to that side, this is positive, goes to right hand side. What is the value? Minus B is there, plus A goes to right hand side, minus A. This is the second equation. To solve in equation 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. The first equation 3 equal to B minus A. In second equation minus 17 equal to minus B minus A. Adding 1 and 2. So plus B minus B get cancelled. Minus A plus minus A equal to minus 2A equal to minus 17 plus 3 equal to remaining value is minus 14. This minus 2 sides negative value get cancelled. 2 is 1 time, 14 dividing by 2 is 7 times. So A equal to 7. What is A value? A equal to 7. Now replace A equal to 7 in equation or a condition, in this condition. Now substitute A value. So A equal to what is the value? 7 in equation or in condition. In A plus 3 equal to what is the value? B value. Now substitute A value. So A equal to what is the value? 7. 7 plus 3 equal to B. Therefore B equal to 7 plus 3 equal to 10. Therefore AB value is AB. So A equal to 7 and B value equal to 10. This is the answer. So important 2 more questions. Okay. Okay, question number 4. If A equal to 2 by 2 matrices and B equal to 2 by 2 matrices, find AB and BA. check whether, check if AB is equal to BA. Okay, solution. So AB and BA, find AB and BA, check if AB is equal to BA. Okay, so the first value is AB, product of AB. So AB equal to, so A is 2 by 2 matrices, 2, 5, 4, 3, and B is 1 minus 3, 2, 5. So multiplication of AB, what is the rule? Row by column multiplication, row by column multiplication. So first row and first column. How to multiply first row and first column? See, 2, 5 is the first row and first column value is 1, 2. And first row, second column, 2, 5. And second column, minus 3 and 5. Okay. And second row, first column, 4, 3 into first column. First column is 1, 2. Next is second row and second column. Second row is 4, 3 and second column is minus 3, 5. Now simplify. Product of AB. Now multiple. 1 into 2, what is the value? 2. 5 into 2, what is the value? 10. The middle value is plus. Okay. Next to 2 into minus 3, what is the value? Minus 6. 5 into 5 equal to the value? 25. Next 4 into 1, what is the value? 4. And 3 into 2 equal to the value? 6. Next 4 into minus 3 equal to what is the value? Minus 12. And 3 into 5 equal to plus 50. Now simplify. 10 plus 2 equal to the value? 12. 25 minus 6 equal to remaining value is 19. 4 plus 6 equal to 10. Minus 12 plus 15 equal to 3. So this is equation 1. So AB. Product of AB value. Product of AB. Next BA. How to find BA? BA, which is equal to, what is B value? B is 1 minus 3. 2, 5 is B. This is the 2 by 2 square matrices into A. A is the first matrices. 2, 5, 4, 3. Which implies and first row and first column. So we product direct method. So 1 into 2 equal to 2, minus 3 into 4 equal to minus 12. And first row, second column, 1 into 5 equal to 5, minus 3 into minus 3 equal to minus 9. The second row, first column, 2 into 2 equal to 4, 5 into 4 equal to plus 20. Next, second row and second column, 2 into 5 equal to 10, 5 into 3 equal to 50. Now simplify. Simplify. Minus 12 plus 2 equal to minus 10. 5 minus 9 equal to minus 4. 4 plus 20 equal to 24. 10 plus 15 equal to 25. This is equation 2. Both are equal. Here 12 is there, minus 10. Here 19 is there, minus 4. Here 10 is there, 24. 3, 25. So therefore, AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. Therefore, it is commutative properties. It is a commutative property. It is commutative property. Commutative property. Okay, question number 5. Given that A equal to 2 by 2 matrices. Check the order. 2 by 2 matrices. 2 by 2 matrices and B equal to 2 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. 2 by 3 matrices. C equal to 2 rows and 3 column matrices. Verify that A into B plus C. A into B plus C, which is equal to AB plus AC. This property is called left distributive property. Left distributive properties. Now left hand side. LHS equal to A into B plus C. First we have to find B plus C value. B plus C. So B plus C is equal to, what is B? Check the order. 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3. The addition of B plus C. So B plus C equal to direct addition. So corresponding element of B, which is equal to adding the corresponding element of C. So 1 plus 1 equal to value 2. Minus 1 plus 3 equal to what is value? 2. 2 plus 2 equal to value 4. And 3 minus 4 equal to value minus 1. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. And 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So B plus 3 equal to this value. This order is 2 by 3. So 2 rows and 3 columns. This is called B plus C. Next, multiple of A into multiple of A. So A into B plus C. A into B plus C. So A equal to the given matrices. So A value 1, 3, 5 minus 1. And multiple of B plus C equal to 2, 2, 4 minus 1, 6, 5. So how to multiple? In matrix multiplication is row by column method. First row and first column. First row and first column. So first row 1, 3 and first column 2 minus 1. And first row and second column 1, 3 into 2, 6. And first row third column 1, 3 into 4, 5. Okay. Next is second row and first column 5 minus 1 and first column value is 2 minus 1. In second row and second column 5 minus 1 into second column is 2, 6. Next second row and third column 5 minus 1 into third column is 4, 5. Now multiple. How to multiple? So A into B plus C which is equal to multiple 1 into 2. What is the value? 2. 3 into minus 1 equal to minus 3. First value. So 1 into 2 equal to 2. 3 into 2 equal to 18. Second value. So 1 into 4 equal to 4. 3 into 5 equal to 15. Now 5 into 2 equal to 10. Minus 1 into minus 1 equal to plus 1. Minus plus 1 into 1 equal to 1. 5 into 2 equal to 10. Minus 1 into 6 equal to minus 6. 5 into 4 equal to 20. Middle value minus. So minus 1 into 5 equal to minus 5. Now simplify. 2 minus 3. So remaining value is minus 1. Negative value. The greater number is highest, positive number is plus 2, negative number is minus 3. Therefore the negative sign is minus 1. 18 plus 2 equal to 20. And 15 plus 4 equal to what is value? 19. 10 plus 1 equal to 11. Here 10 plus minus 6 plus 10 minus 6 remaining value is 4. 20 minus 5 so remaining value is 15. This is equation 1, left hand side. This value is called left hand side. Value is minus 1, 20, 19, 11, 4, 50. This is left hand side. Next right hand side, RHS. Right hand side. So right hand side value, so AB, what is the matrix of A? A is 2 rows and 2 columns. So 1, 3, 5 minus 1 is A. And B equal to 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 2. So multiple in direct method, okay. First row and first column. So how to multiple? 1 into 1 equal to 1. 3 into 3 equal to 9. First row and first column is over. Next first row and second column. Minus 1 into 1 equal to minus 1. 3 into 5 equal to 15. Next first row and third column. 1 into 2 equal to 2. Next 3 into 2 equal to 6. Next second row first column 1 into 5 equal to 5. Minus 1 into 3 equal to minus 3. Next first row and second column 5 into minus 1 equal to minus 5. Minus 1 into 5 equal to minus 5. 5 into minus 1 equal to minus 5. Minus 1 into 5 equal to minus 5. Next second row and third column 5 into 2 equal to 10. And minus 1 into 2 equal to minus 2. Now simplify AB value. So AB equal to, now simplify. 1 plus 9 equal to value 10. Minus 1 plus 15 equal to plus 14. 2 plus 6 equal to value 8. 2 plus 6 equal to 8. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Minus 5 minus 5 equal to minus 10. 10 minus 2 equal to 8. This is called AB value. Next AC. Finding AC. So AC which is equal to A is the same order 2 by 2 matrices. 1, 3, 5 minus 1, and C equal to, what is C value? C equal to 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2 minus 4, 1, 3. Multiple, row by column method. Okay. first row and first column. 1 into 1 equal to 1, 3 into minus 4 equal to minus 12. First row, second column, 1 into 3 equal to 3, 1 into 3 equal to 3, 3 into 1 equal to 3. Next, first row, third column, 1 into 2 equal to 2, 3 into 3 equal to plus 9. Next, second row and first column, the same procedure. So 5 into 1 equal to 5, 5 into 1 equal to 5, 5 into 1 equal to 5, minus 1 into minus 4 equal to plus 4. Next, second row and second column, 3 into 5 equal to 15, minus 1 into 1 equal to minus 1, minus 1. Next, second row, third column, 5 into 2 equal to 10, minus 1 into 3 equal to minus 3, minus 1 into 3 equal to minus 3. Now simplify. 1 minus 12 equal to remaining value is minus 11. 3 plus 3 equal to 6, 3 plus 6 equal to 6, 2 plus 9 equal to 11, 2 plus 9 equal to 11, 5 plus 4 equal to what is the value? 5 plus 4 equal to 9, 15 minus 1 equal to 14, 10 minus 3 equal to 7. So this value is called AC, this value is called AC, AC. So finally, what we find in right hand side, AB plus AC. So adding AB and AC values, so RHS AB plus AC, which is equal to AB equal to, this is AB value, order is 2 rows and 3 columns. 10, AB equal to 10, AB value is 10, 14, 14, 8, 2 minus 10, 8, plus AC equal to what is the value? Minus 11, 6, 11, 9, 14, 7. Simplify. 10 minus 11, so remaining value is minus 1. 14 plus 6 is 20. 8 plus 11 equal to 19. 2 plus 9 equal to 11. Minus 10 plus 14 equal to remaining value is 4. 8 plus 7 equal to what is the value? 15. This is equation 2. From 1 and 2, from equation from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we get LHS equal to RHS. So HB, hence proved. Hence proved. So both the equations are equal. So LHS equal to RHS.